What up, boys? It's your boy Big Stoney back again, man. And today, what we about to do is I'm gonna show y'all how to use phrases in your loops and beats to make your shit just way harder. And if you stick around for the end of the video, I'm gonna be giving out a free phrase kit with 50 phrases in it, and they're crazy. So if you want to level up your loops and your beats, watch the video and then stick around to get the kit at the end, and I'll tell you how. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna use the kit actually right here. It's called Gangland Phrase Kit Part 1. I'm just gonna take this very first one. So I already have these all automatically time stretched, so whatever you put your project at and you drag these bad boys in, it's gonna automatically link. So it's gonna automatically time stretch it. So I mean, workflow. You know what I mean? You don't got to spend all that time trying to put it on beat. It's already on beat. And they all start at C. So we're making it real easy for you over here.
That's too easy!
Okay. Yeah, man, these phrases are hard. We're going to actually pitch this joint.
I'm gonna take it up 2, 3. I'm gonna take it to
D sharp. 1, 2, 3. And you can like manipulate the phrases. You don't gotta leave them as is. Like. Go through some more of these phrases, see if we can just pair another one. Let's take this dark piano phrase. There we go. Got like a pretty wavy vibe with like just the phrases and the piano that I added, and I'm gonna go in and add like a little lead. Let's use the mini. Not crazy, just a little simple lead. I ain't gotta do all that now. I kinda like that. I kinda like that. Maybe make it mono. I love the little sound at the end. I wish I could just get that sound without the actual lead. Let me just try to mess the lead up somewhere. Maybe we can get it kind of more out of there and keep that effect at the end more. Okay, I think that part kinda did it. That's really all I wanted. Let's add a bass in this joint. I just want to do a little bass. I like that. Let's put some drums on it. I think that's pretty wavy for real. And like, you see how easy it was to put it together. You know what I mean? Like, you can just kind of see how some different phrases fit together. You know what I mean? Manipulate them, flip them, pitch them, add your own sauce to them. You know what I mean? Or you could just use them as is and rock like that too, and they'll still be fire. So it's that easy when it comes to using phrases. Well, boom, man. Something else that I like to do sometimes is just like record my shit in and then flip it again. Got a bang, and then let's get into the beats. All right, bet. That's our beat. Let's hear it from the chin up. That's my man, stoney. Wow. All right. Yeah, man. I think that that's a fire beat, a fire loop right there. You know what I mean? The phrases made it super easy for me to put that whole thing together. Made it way quicker. You know what I mean? I didn't have to sit there spending mad time penciling mad melodies in and shit like that. You know what I mean? And I still flipped it and made it my own. Well, even though it is my own, that they're my phrases, but still, you can do the same. You know what I mean? And I hope that you guys learned a little bit about how to use phrases and how useful they can be. And if you want these phrases and the full Gangland phrase kit, the link is going to be right in the description of this video. So all you got to do is go down there, click it, download it, tag me in some stuff that you make with it. Let me know what you think. I'm already working on another one that's going to probably have more close to like 100 phrases. It's not going to be free, but it's going to be cheap. It'll probably be like $5. So yeah, man. Hope that y'all enjoyed the video. As always, until next time, it's your boy Big Stoney. We out of here.